What's up, guys? Welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. This week I've got my wife and my lovely assistant Ashton, and tell them what we're going to do this week.
We did an acrylic pour on this ugly old rusty table, and now it's beautiful.
So stay tuned. We're going to need...
Before we got started, we covered the floor with drop cloth and plastic.
We then grabbed the sandpaper and sanded the rust off the legs. Some of the supplies we used were
Rubber gloves, acrylic paint,
plastic spoons, cups,
and glue all.
and I mixed 1 part glue all with 1 part water.
Then we poured the different colored paints into separate cups
And added the water and glue all mixture equal parts to the cups.
We then mixed the cups thoroughly.
Very thoroughly.
Very, very thoroughly. After we mixed the paints, we poured them all into the measuring cup one at a time in just kind of a random pattern.
Kind of coated. Then it was time to pour. We poured in concentric circles around the table until most of the paint was out of the measuring cup.
We were a little worried that it wasn't going to be enough paint to cover the tabletop, but by the time we tilted the table around, it ended up spreading pretty evenly.
We found a video on YouTube that had a lot of details on pouring acrylic paint, and we will link that video in the details below. Make sure you check it out. So after we did the acrylic pour, we spray painted the legs. And after this dries, it'll become kind of a matte finish. So I'm gonna take this tomorrow or whatever it dries, and I'm gonna coat it so it'll be nice and glossy and the colors will pop a little bit more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the button that says subscribe below this video. And there's a little bell to the right of that. Click that, bonus points for you.
He puts out new videos almost every Sunday. Put that in the video.